morning children. Today we are going to start with a new topic, deficiency diseases. In the previous chapter we have already learned about what is a disease. A disease is an abnormality in the body. When your body is not functioning properly, that is called a disease. We have learned about communicable diseases in the previous chapter, and in this chapter we are going to learn about the deficiency diseases. Many diseases are caused by the deficiency of nutrients in our diet. Deficiency means lack of, and nutrients means the healthy thing present in the food. There are many diseases which are caused by lack of improper diet or lack of some nutrients in our body. They are called deficiency diseases. For example, the deficiency disease caused by the deficiency of protein are kwashiorkor and marasmus. You have learned in the previous classes that protein is a body building nutrient. It helps to build your body and it helps in the growth of your body. The diseases caused by the deficiency of protein are kwashiorkor and marasmus. They are usually caused in children. In kwashiorkor, the growth is improper, and in marasmus also there is improper growth and development of the children. Protein is present in all non-veg items like mutton, chicken, in pulses, etc. So you should eat proper protein diet if you want to be free of these diseases. Number 2 is carbohydrates. We have learned that carbohydrates are energy giving food. They give you energy. People who lack carbohydrates in their diet, they suffer from tiredness. They get tired very easily. They feel weak and inactive, and they are unable to do many work because carbohydrates are energy giving food and they are required to do many kind of work like running, studying and doing work in the kitchen. So carbohydrates are usually present in rice, sugar, etc. Now we come to the vitamins. First of all, there are many types of vitamins present in our diet and which are required by our body. Vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Deficiency of vitamin A causes a disease called night blindness. In this disease, people are unable to see in dim light and at night. Vitamin A is usually present in green leafy vegetables, in papaya also. Then deficiency of vitamin B causes a disease called beriberi. It is a disease in which your nerves become weak and your body becomes very inactive and tired very easily. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease called scurvy. In that you have bleeding gums, because vitamin C is required for your gums, healthy gums. Vitamin C is usually present in all citrus fruits like lemon, lime, amla, etc. Deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease called rickets. In this disease, the bones become weak and they bend easily, and it is caused especially in children. In adults, vitamin D deficiency causes a disease called osteomalacia. In that also your bones become very weak, because vitamin D is required for the health of your bone. Then you have deficiency of vitamin E. In deficiency of vitamin E, the muscles and it causes muscle and skin diseases. Vitamin E is usually found in vegetable oil and sprouts. So you should eat lot of sprouts for not getting this disease. Then deficiency of vitamin K causes excessive bleeding from the wound, because vitamin K is required for blood clotting, and vitamin K is present in fish, eggs and leafy vegetables.